Do you know that if something unexpected happens, your phone can help first responder access the medical details they need, but only if you set it up first. Today, I will show you how to add or edit your medical info on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, including how to show it on the lock screen for emergencies. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Safety and Emergency. Tap Safety and Emergency. Tap Medical Info. Here you can see your current detail. To edit, tap the pencil icon at the top right. Fill in anything you need from name, medical condition, blood type, and so on. Then tap Save when you are done. If you want this info available from the lock screen, you can enable Show on Lock Screen. When this option is on, your medical info icon will appear next to emergency call on the lock screen. And that's how you set up your medical information on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It takes less than a minute and it can make a big difference when it matters. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.